Are you ready to unleash your inner speed demon? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, your gear guide. Today, we're going to take a thrilling ride with the 2025 Ford Mustang, a legendary muscle car that's been redefining the rules of the road for over 5 decades. As we take our first look at the Mustang, you'll notice its aggressive stance and sleek design. The exterior is a masterpiece, with a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and a sloping roofline that gives it a coupe-like silhouette. The Mustang's iconic fastback design is still intact, but it's now more aerodynamic and menacing than ever. I have to say, the Mustang's design is so aggressive. It'll make you wonder if it was designed by a team of rebellious teenagers who just discovered the joys of caffeine and heavy metal music. Now, let's dive deeper into the exterior features. The Mustang comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, which not only look great but also provide a smooth ride. You'll also notice the chrome-tipped exhaust pipe, which adds a touch of sophistication. And with a choice of 9 exterior colors, you can personalize your Mustang to match your unique style. As we step inside the Mustang, you'll be greeted by a premium interior that's both stylish and functional. The cabin is spacious, with ample legroom and cargo space. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long road trips a breeze. The Mustang's interior is loaded with features, including a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 12-speaker B&O premium audio system. You'll also appreciate the convenience of wireless charging and a 360-degree camera system. Now, let's talk performance. The Mustang comes with a range of engine options, including a 2.3-liter turbocharged inline-4, a 5.0-liter V8, and a hybrid powertrain. The V8 engine is the star of the show, producing 460 horsepower and 420 pounds-ft of torque. With its lightning-quick acceleration and razor-sharp handling, the Mustang is a thrill ride like no other. But here's the question: can the Mustang's performance match its aggressive design and premium interior? The Mustang prioritizes safety with a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. You'll have peace of mind with features like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. So, what sets the Mustang apart from its competitors? For starters, its iconic design and legendary performance make it a standout in the muscle car segment. Additionally, the Mustang's advanced technology features, including its 12-inch digital instrument cluster and 8-inch touchscreen display, make it a leader in the tech department. Now, let's talk price. The Mustang starts at around $27,000, making it an attractive option for those looking for a high-performance muscle car without breaking the bank. So, what's good and what's bad about the Mustang? The good, its aggressive design, legendary performance, and premium interior. The bad, some may find the ride a bit too firm, and the fuel economy could be better. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Mustang is a muscle car that's been perfected over 5 decades. Its aggressive design, legendary performance, and premium interior make it a standout in the segment. And with its attractive price point and advanced technology features, it's an option that's hard to ignore. But will the Mustang be enough to take down its arch nemesis, the Chevrolet Camaro? Stay tuned for our upcoming comparison test to find out. Don't wait. Get behind the wheel of the 2025 Ford Mustang today and experience the thrill of the drive for yourself. Thanks for joining me on this in-depth review of the 2025 Ford Mustang. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.